die in this building within the last 5 years? Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you have Christmas dinner with us?
What's your name?
Alex.
Did you have Christmas dinner with Alex?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do we know who it is?
Peter.
Yeah. Are you Piggy?
Is your name Piggy?
Yeah. Is there any spirits in the room? Can you move the glass?
Straight away again.
Build up your energy. Use the people that touch the glass. Use their energy. Move the glass around the table. Build up your energy so we can talk to you.
Take 2 circles, build up your energy, take the energy from us, and be able to speak to us.
Yes.
What was that?
That's not Piggy, is it?
Is that Peggy?
Yeah. H.
This to tell us what your name is. Go to our right. Thank you. Right, can you tell us what your name is then, please, using the box on the table?
Check Peggy down. No. It's Alan.
Can you tell us loud and clear through the box on the table what your name is, please?
Piggy.
Peggy.
Piggy, that's what
Piggy.
Did you hear it? Can you say it again, please?
Just said it, Peggy.
Yeah.
Thank you. Can you tell us how old you are, please?
That was clear, Piggy. Was from here anyway.
Can I ask you some questions?
No.
Hello? Did you say hello or no?
No.
No?
Do you know where we are right now?
No.
You've had enough?
Are we tiring you out?
Are we boring you? No? Okay then. Are you watching us?
Yeah.
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 Oh, good lad. What about the beer we've got on? Do you like that? Maybe. You would have liked it.
This is good energy.
Very, very good energy.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Are you staying with us?
Are you okay?
Are you happy, Pete? Pete, are you happy?
Would you like to tell us how old you were?
50 actually, isn't it?
What's that? 50? Yeah.
Here's 51.
We all knock a year off.
I'm 23 this time.
I'm 29 and 3/4.
Can we ask you, Pete, are you happy where you are?
Are you with your mum, babe?
Pete, have you seen your mum?
Andrew wants to know, have you seen your mum? Is that a yes or a no?
Yes.
Yeah.
husband, Mary.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Is Mary alright?
Yes.
Is Stan there?
We've gone.
He's gone now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No engines or nothing there.
Wow.
Did you... Do you recognise that voice?
I couldn't think of his mum's name out, and then when he said Mary, I thought, well, Rose said
Well,
it.
you said Mary and he come out with Mary at the same time.
Yeah, I know. That was the mother's name. You took him up the creme every time. I think you didn't you?